Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write articles in seconds using ChatGPT. I'm going to ask it to write a blog post about 5 ways the world might end, something a little dark, especially to ask an AI. You can see it's writing it from the perspective of a human, which is kind of weird, but the rest of this looks pretty good. It's explaining 5 ways that all seem relatively plausible. It's not really that interesting though. I wouldn't want to read this content. It could work for search engines in 2005 though. Let's improve how it writes by giving it more specific prompts. I'll tell it what tone, voice, and types of words to use, how long it should be. Also, it should come up with creative titles for each section and how long each section should be. I gave it a keyword and told it to write a meta description and slug for the post. Now if you like this tip, make sure and hit the like button so other people can see this too. And hit subscribe to get more videos like this. This is a templated prompt I have. I just input a few words for each article, and as you can see, this one is coming out way better. Strong title with a pretty decent introduction that makes me want to read more. Each section has strong titles and more depth to them. It actually provides useful information on each section. I'll put a copy of this prompt in the description of the video so you can copy and paste it for yourself. I'll also put links to some advanced courses and software platforms built on AI that give you the power to do even more with this groundbreaking technology. How fast is this content creation? This entire video will probably be less than 3 minutes long, and this article is something you could immediately post to a blog. This is probably going to max out the length ChatGPT can do in one message. I'll just tell it to continue, and it should pick up where it left off. And there it goes. Man, this article was really hard for me to write, haha. Make sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more great ways to use artificial intelligence to grow your digital presence. That's right, you can get ChatGPT hacks to grow your income right on our channel. Advanced prompts for things like writing email sequences, researching, crafting social media content, and more is all right there on our YouTube channel.